Designblock is?
Super great, because we can show what we got. I don't care. When I work with proportions, it's difficult. Well,
Maybe only one.
only one. Well, it's in the past for sure plastics, but nowadays maybe some nanotechnologies. To cherish human work and to support the craftsmanship. I think it will have to have a good interface. They will require some new multimedia, and it will be all about communication. First thought that I had was a classical camera, like the old-fashioned camera that you take pictures with. It's a nice object in general. Or maybe some memory toy, maybe from Lucie Koldová, something inflatable would be cool. Technology pushes design further. Brothers Burlek. Do the best what you can.